welcome back to Epic Beauty Fail. I'm Jessica. On today's video, I'm going to be unboxing my April 2018 Allure Beauty Box. So, I just got this yesterday. I'm filming this on Sunday. I got it on Saturday. It's posting on Monday. So, it's very late this month. It's been late like the last 2 months, and I don't know what's going on. I think they changed their ship schedule. So they're shipping out later in the month than what they used to. Like, this used to sometimes be one of my first boxes, and now it's like my second to last. The only box I haven't gotten yet is Lola. So, yeah, I don't know what's going on with that. But anyhow, the inside of the box lid is empty. There is a little book right here, which I'm going to put aside and refer to as I pull the products out. And there is the box. You can't see anything but the top item. So I'm going to go ahead and pull that top item out. And this is the original makeup eraser. It is a sample size. It is the #1 reusable makeup remover system in the world. Here is the packaging. Very cute. I don't have this brand of makeup eraser, but I do have a cloth makeup eraser that works actually really well. I do have one that I got, I think at like Kohl's. I think it was at Kohl's. And it was like a 2-pack. And I do really enjoy it. I do actually use it often because it works really well. Anyway, the book says, my eyes are really sensitive and most makeup removers sting, so I was excited to try this thing out. It's a soft, fuzzy piece of fabric that you just run under warm water and smooth over your skin, and it's supposed to take off a full face of makeup. Okay, I was a little skeptical too because mascara. It works on mascara, I can tell you that. But I followed the directions, swept it over my face in circular motions, and hoped for the best. I was shocked to see how well it worked. Makeup eraser, in quotes, is no exaggeration. It wiped away red lipstick in one go and whisked away my foundation. I used a different corner of fabric for each part of my face, but you can also toss it in the laundry when it gets dirty. My eye makeup took a little longer to take off, but the fabric was super gentle on the skin around my eyes. Just don't make the mistake of rubbing too hard. I sacrificed an eyelash to bring you that tip. I also felt pretty darn good about taking my makeup off with something reusable instead of cotton balls or wipes, which obviously get thrown away. The full price of this is $20. It says you can buy it at Makeup Eraser. I know you can also buy it at Sephora because I've looked at this a couple of times at Sephora, and you can enter the code JUSTWATER! In all caps to receive 25% off your order from April 1st through June 1st of 2018. And like I said, I really like the ones I have. They work really, really well. And it comes with a couple of little cards actually inside here. It says the 25% off. Okay, and then it says like your sample may fray because it's not sewn around the outside, so it is just, you know, that size. The full size one is much bigger. Now this one, I will say, is probably a little bit softer than the one that I have, like the Not Makeup Eraser brand. But it's nice, and I have washed them and they do continue to work really well, so I like it a lot. All right, the next item in here, let's see, I want to pull these out because these go together. This is the Rahua shampoo and conditioner. Here are the bottles. All right, and all right, so this, I'm not going to read the whole thing because it's got like the shampoo and the conditioner. But you can buy it at rahua.com, RAHUA.com. If you enter the code Allure in all caps, you get free shipping from April 1st to June 1st. It says the full size. These obviously are not the full size, but I'm going to go ahead and read the shampoo to you and see what it says. So it says, this shampoo has the nicest, delicatest, charmingest scent. It's light but warm and just a little herbal. It reminds me of a cozy cup of tea. The formula is sulfate-free, but still foams gently and gets your hair clean, and includes scalp-soothing ingredients like aloe and vitamin E, which could explain why the redness I was noticing along my hairline, as well as some sporadic scalp itchiness, went away after a few shampoos and hasn't returned. All right, that is pretty nice. I do like getting shampoo and conditioners, especially when they're not foil packs. Next item in here, this is from Kors. It's the Pomegranate Balancing Cream Gel Moisturizer for oily combination skin. And here is the product. Okay. Does have a safety seal, which is nice. And let's see. So this says, this lightweight moisturizer is made for oily and combination skin, which I don't have, so I'm going to let another colleague take it away. Even though it's a cream gel situation, it's not so light that your skin immediately absorbs it, says Allure.com beauty reporter Devin Abelman. A lot of moisturizers for oily skin are like drinking one glass of cold water instead of a pitcher on a hot day. They don't do anything to hydrate it. This one gave me a nice blanket of moisture but didn't pill up like some other gels. The formula combines hyaluronic acid to hydrate with salicylic acid to reduce breakouts, and they work together to balance combination skin and treat acne without irritation. I usually have to stay away from salicylic acid because it is in a lot of other formulas it dries me out. This didn't cause any tightness or flaking. My skin feels smoother and my makeup went on nicely. So I'm gonna have to give that a try. It is a moisturizer, so that's pretty nice. You can get it at KorsUSA.com or KorsUSA.com. You can enter the code Allure20, all capital letters, for 20% off your next order from April 1st through July 31st. So there you go. And it does have a safety seal on it. I think, yeah, the shampoo and conditioner both have safety seals on it as well, so I'm not going to pull those off. You guys know I don't like to do that unless I know for a fact that I'm going to use the product. So, all right, this next item here is from Stellar. It is a Brilliant Primer, and it's a white bottle, but it looks like the product might not be a white cream. So there is the package. Okay. All right, so this is, it's like a squeezy, oh, it's squeezed out. Okay. It is not a white cream. It is a pink cream, in fact. And does not have a scent. It feels nice. It actually feels very silicone-y. Yeah. So, okay. I've never been a primer person, which might explain why my concealer doesn't last all day, but I digress. So I enlisted one to try this shimmering out this shimmering pink guy. I wanted to run into your office this morning to tell you to feel my skin, but I thought that'd be creepy, says Jessica Shia, Allure's senior beauty editor. I just kept touching my face after I put this on. My skin has never felt softer. My powder foundation went on super smoothly and melted into my skin, so it looked natural. Other primers can make it cakey or dusty in places. I have oily skin, and this primer really downplayed the shine. Jess used it all over, but since the pink tint and shimmer subtly brightens skin, you can also tap it on your cheekbones for a soft highlight. I might be convinced to become a primer person now, but I'll need a new bottle. Jess liked this stuff so much she kept it. And you can buy it at Sephora.com. No discount for this one. All right, and the last item in here is probably the thing I am most excited about. It is from Nude Sticks. It is a gel color lip and cheek balm in the color J Mama. I'm going to go ahead and open this because I know I want to give this a try. I don't know that I have any Nude Sticks products, but it's a very pretty color. There it is. And I'm going to go ahead and swatch this on my hand. There we go. That's pretty. That's definitely a color I will wear for certain. So that's pretty. I don't think I'd wear that on my cheeks, but I would definitely wear that on my lips. So, all right, just a little stick here. And the book says, this pinkish brown crayon is really pretty and really sheer, so it's hard to go overboard. I didn't think that was very sheer. And it's perfect for touching up in dimly lit restrooms after a few glasses of wine, or when I'm using my phone's camera as the world's least reliable mirror. Tell me about it. I like to dab it on my cheeks from the side of the crayon and give it a few taps with my fingers to blend the shade into a soft, believable flush. Then I'll swipe a little over my lips and presto, I have a chic, polished, monochromatic makeup look in 2 minutes. So you can buy this at nudesticks.com and you can enter a code Allure10. Now that only has a capital A with the rest of it lowercase to receive 10% off your order from April 1st through June 1st. So there you go. That is everything in my box this month. And I did actually get 6 products because of the shampoo and conditioner. So I got the Nude Sticks, which I'm very excited to try out. The moisturizer, which is kind of nice. The shampoo and conditioner from Rahua. I think that's how you pronounce it, Rahua? I don't know. The Stellar Primer, which is 5 products right there, and then the makeup eraser. So, is it my favorite Allure box I've ever gotten? No, but is it a good one? Yes, it is. I think it's a good one. I'm really excited about the Nude Sticks because I don't think I've had anything like that. I'm actually kind of excited to try this moisturizer out, especially as I'm getting oilier as we get to the summer. And I definitely want to try the primer. Shampoo and conditioner. I like shampoo and conditioners. It's not anything that's going to knock my socks off, though. So, and the makeup eraser I will definitely use. I'll probably use that specifically for eye makeup, to remove eye makeup, though. So, I don't know that it's big enough to do my whole face. I don't know. Anyhow, not my favorite Allure box, but it's not a bad one either. So, if you like this video, please give me a thumbs up down below. If you haven't already and you would like to be, please hit the red subscribe button. And don't forget to hit the little bell to notify you when I do upload new videos. And if you have any comments, leave those in the comment section down below. Have you tried any of these products? And if so, what were your thoughts on them? I'd love to hear them. And I do hope you enjoyed this video, and I'll see you on the next Epic Beauty Fail. Bye.